Hello everyone, welcome to LKP Dhann ki Baat. My name is Rupak De. I'm Senior Technical Analyst at LKP Securities Limited. This is a show where we discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, few sectoral indices and few stocks. So let's start with Nifty. We have the chart of Nifty, it's a daily chart, and on this daily chart we can see that Nifty is consolidating within a range of 16,400 and 15,800. So the RSI is in bullish crossover, and after 2 days of positive momentum, positive move, the Nifty is looking a bit positive. On the higher end it can move up towards 17,000, 17,200. But there is immediate resistance which is placed at 16,400. Once Nifty can move beyond 16,400 decisively, then there will be chance that Nifty will reach towards 17,200. There is a minor resistance which is placed at 16,700, where the 50 EMA is lying above 16,700. Nifty has next resistance at 17,400. Then above 17, but before that, before all these things can happen, Nifty has to move beyond 16,400. On the lower end, there is a support at 16,160 kind of levels. Below 16,160, Nifty can fall down towards 15,800 once again. So, what are the levels we have currently? 16,400 is very crucial, then 16,700, then 17,200, 17,400. On the lower end, 16,160, then 15,800. If we talk about Bank Nifty has clearly given a positive breakout above its previous consolidation on the daily chart, and it is currently remaining above 50 EMA on the daily time frame, which is suggesting a positive trend. And the momentum indicator RSI is in bullish crossover with a reading above 50 at the current moment. So the trend clearly positive for Bank Nifty. On the higher end, Bank Nifty can move up towards 36,600, 37,000 over the short term. Yeah, there is a resistance of a falling trend line at around 36,700, but the strength is good, and Bank Nifty can make it towards 37,000 over the short term. On the lower end, there is a support at 34,000. If 34,000 is broken, then Bank Nifty once again is likely to fall into the declines. But till then, bullish momentum to continue in the banking space. If we talk about some sectoral indices, we have Nifty Auto Index, which has a very interesting chart setup. This is a daily chart, and on this daily chart, the auto index has moved up after a recent consolidation. It has given a highest closing since February end of this year, and the sector is the index is remaining above 50 EMA for the last few days, which suggests a positive momentum, positive trend for the short term. On the higher end, the index can move up towards 12,000, so we are bullish in auto index. On the lower end, there is a support at 10,900, below which the index may fall into the sideways movement. One more index we'll be talking about, like it's Nifty Metal. So Nifty Metal has given a very strong breakdown. It has fallen below a rising trend line on the weekly chart, and it is also remaining below the 50 EMA on the weekly time frame. The weekly RSI is in bearish crossover in falling, and any rally in the space may get sold into. So we are not very much bullish. Rather, we are a bit bearish in the space. It's a kind of sell and rise market. So we are a bit bearish in the sector. So let's talk about some stocks. TVS Motor is likely to be the first preference among the stocks. On the weekly chart, the stock has given an inverted head and shoulder pattern breakout. The stock is currently trading at 723, and there is a support at 690, 685 is likely to be the very crucial support. As long as it is trading above 685, the stock is likely to move towards 800 over the short term. And the stock is currently trading above its neckline. So also stock is comfortably trading above its 50 EMA on the weekly time frame. The weekly RSI is in bullish crossover with the reading above 50. So everything is pointing towards a strong rally in the stock. We are very bullish in the stock. Second stock is Axis Bank. If you watch, if you see its daily chart, we can find that there is a double bottom at around 630. Then the stock moved up higher, and now after a consolidation of few days, the stock has once again moved up higher. Now, going forward, the stock can remain positive, and on the higher end, there is a resistance at 50 EMA, which is peaked at 711 kind of levels. Above 711, the stock can move up towards higher level like 766, 765 can be seen in the stock over the short to medium term. Now, on the lower end, there is a support at 660. If 660 is broken, then the stock can fall into the decline. Till then, we are bullish in the stock. Our third stock is ICICI Bank. The stock has given a decisive breakout above its recent consolidation. So, this is a stock along with HDFC Bank is likely to take the bank nifty higher. So we are very bullish in ICICI Bank, and over the short term, the stock can reach towards its previous peak on the daily chart. Whereas on the lower end, there is a support at 714. As long as it is trading above 714, we are will be bullish in the stock. Also, the RSI is in positive crossover with its reading above 50. So it's a bullish call. It's a bullish stock. Our fourth and last stock is Container Corp. The stock price has given a very strong breakout above its previous swing high. So previous swing high was at 637. Now the stock is trading at 658, and the stock has formed three white soldier kind of pattern. It's a three white soldier pattern on the daily chart, which is very bullish setup. And there is a positive divergence in the RSI. Also, the stock is currently trading above its 50 EMA on the daily chart. So we are very bullish in the stock, and the stock can move up towards 720, even beyond 720 is expected over the short to medium term. On the lower end, 620 is likely to remain as very crucial support. So if the stock falls below 620, then it will lose its current momentum, and the stock will fall into decline. Till the time, we are very bullish in the stock. So we have discussed four stocks. All of them were bullish setup with a bullish setup. So that's it for the week. We'll be meeting you in the next week. Thank you for watching.